Yeah, good afternoon. Update from the Boatworks here with the 1950s Super Sailfish Jaja. Got the bottom pulled off and our 1963 Alcort Sunfish chip. We were sorting some parts the other day and kind of pulling some of the parts that will either go on chip or be used for patterns. This is the splash guard that goes on top of the deck. Meets in the middle. It's held together with a little bronze fastener in the middle. Those are the backer blocks there that these screws go into. So that's how it'll be set up. We get it flipped over. Still working on taking measurements today. We got a frame to be a pattern. This is frame 17. Goes up front, little notches in the middle for the longerons, and when it gets beveled on the edge, and we cut it. This is frame number 3. Had to cut 2 before we got this one. It would fit okay. We'll get patterns for the frames and a few other things before everything goes back together on the Sunfish and the Sailfish. Hope y'all having a good one.